Okay, after installing the batteries, this comes from the manufacturer with a preset code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get this right here and it will open. So here goes the manufacturer. I'm gonna show you. I done put the batteries in, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I hit this and it opens. And once it's open, you can go in and get whatever you want. So to reset the code, you want to enter the code and open it up. And once you open it up, what you want to do is take these 2 screws out, these Phillips head screws. Take this off, and it has a black button here. What you want to do is push this button, and you see that light blinking yellow up here. And what you want to do is enter a new code. We're gonna say 5555. Hit this and go 555 again. Hit it again, and it confirms. You heard that noise? It start blinking. So that's the new code now. So if I close this, now I'm gonna enter the new code. It opens. So that's your new code. Let's try that one more time. Got a certain amount of time to enter it. So you press it, and while it's blinking, enter that code. So enter that code again. There you go. So we want to close it. Let's try the new code. And that's it. And from what I see, it's okay. So I do a review on this maybe in a few months and see what's going on. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.